Okay guys, video unboxing again. We buy sodium bicarbonate and soy lecithin. uh, let's check it out. This packages is sent for me. Let's open this. If you open it very well. Oh, where is this opening kit? Oh, in there. I can see it. This packages saving up. Sodium bicarbonate 1 kilograms. Okay, 1 kilogram, good. And then lecithin 1 kilograms. Very thick. Thick packaging, very thick enough. I like it. Let's see how the facade. Oh, this zoom soy lesitin 15 gr. Okay, good condition. And then another good condition too, I think. Good condition, as like we see. Soy lecitin 15 gr, same. 1 kilos. Thank you. Oh yes, by the way, soy lecitin is good for adding food supplement, and soda is for cooking cake, and for the other ones, for many things. This chemical is very worked. So lecithin is what you call that, purity of the soy. So it's good for brain, muscle, and everything. Thank you for watching.